Hey Seed Nerds! I am here on a project that is part of our work with Jackson Soil and Water Conservation District on Antelope Creek. And we have this really cool opportunity to do an understory seed mix on a riparian restoration project. There isn't a lot that we know about specifically what does really well, because a lot of people, when they do restoration in these systems, don't necessarily think very hard about the herbaceous community, and we are hoping to change that. So why don't you come and look, and I'll show you what we've got in this seed mix. So the seed mix we're going to use has about 15 species in it. I'm not going to go through every single one, but there's a combination, about 50% grasses, 50% wildflowers, and we specifically pick ones that can do well in part shade, provide pollinator habitat, and also we think would be appropriate for this habitat. You can see seeds range from super tiny. This is our yarrow seed to, this is the biggest one we have, which is the Heracleum. And yeah, especially the Heracleum, we're really curious to see how it does, because it does form a pretty big plant, and it also can provide a lot of shade for streams, which is really important. And basically, I'm hand seeding. I'm just trying to pick areas that have exposed dirt, and there's not going to be a lot of future disturbance, so that the seed has a little bit of time to actually establish. Native seed strategy is to kind of go slow but last a long time, and so we need to give those plants space to have time to grow and mature. So we'll check back in a year or two and see how well this worked, and then we can always iterate, change our species mix and our seeding ratios, and try to get, you know, as much ground cover with native as possible, which is going to hold soil, support pollinators. It's also going to provide biodiversity, and eventually I'd like to see some of these projects having culturally important food plants.